You guys are going to love this newest update. Now you can edit forms and surveys directly from your funnels and your website builder. This feature allows you to quickly edit forms and surveys directly from the funnel builder and the website building interface, enhancing efficiency and your user experience as you're building out these funnels and websites. Let's talk about benefits. I mean, this is huge. This is one of those features I am personally excited about. First of all, this is going to streamline your workflow. Now, while you're building, you can now edit forms and surveys without needing to navigate away from the funnel builder. It's also going to provide immediate update. Changes made to forms are instantly reflected in the funnel builder or the website builder upon refreshing. And this is going to enhance user convenience. This feature is going to simplify the process of identifying and modifying forms within your funnels while you're building them. As far as practical use, I mean, this is just an amazingly practical update that I think, even if we haven't asked for it, I think secretly in the back of our minds, we've wanted it. So now your business can quickly update their contact forms within a sales funnel to reflect new promotional offers without interrupting any of your workflow, ensuring that your customers always see the most current information. So, of course, this is going to be under sites in the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to want to choose funnels or websites. And you're going to want to just go ahead and edit one that you already have either a form or a survey in, and you edit by clicking on the three-dot kebab and then clicking edit. So for this example, we're inside of a funnel. And so we're going to go ahead into our first page, which we are calling test, and we're going to click edit. From there, if the form isn't already there, go ahead and drag that form in. And if you haven't already, put your form there, you'll also, of course, select which form you're going to be using. What's great here, this is the huge update, is now once your form is in there, you're going to see the edit form option on the right side navigation area where you have all of your control panels. From there, you're going to be able to directly edit the form without leaving this funnel page. You're also not going to have to leave your website page. This is an amazing, simple update that I think we are all going to fall in love with. This feature enhances user productivity by enabling quick and convenient edits to forms and surveys right inside of the builders, which is going to streamline all of your form and survey management processes. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.